Hello students, I welcome you in this session for ACCA paper AA F8 Audit and Assurance. I am your tutor Haris Hanif and this is my WhatsApp number, and I do teach paper MA, PM, AA and AAA. This is the WhatsApp number of our administration of Escribir Academy. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss on paper AA Audit and Assurance the two important things to be discussed in this session. Number one is the reasons of low scores or even fail, and the live online revision webinars for June 26 intake. So let's start with our first agenda of this session, that is reasons of scoring low or even fail. Number one, poor understanding of the concepts. Some of the students mix up the concept of test of controls and substantive, which should not be the case. At least lack of application to the scenarios. Now most of the students do memorize the procedures and they write in the exam. For example, if the requirement is generic, so it may be the coincidence that your points which you have memorized are fit to the requirement, but when it comes to the long scenario, so you must need to relate the procedures with the given case study. So lack of application to the scenarios of the auditing standards and the audit procedures. Poor drafting. Audit is not the paper to just understand the concept, memorize the concept. A proper, well structured, relevant for the marks, the drafting technique is very much important. Writing irrelevant points. Please remember that writing too much will not give you mark. Writing the relevant point will give you the mark. Time management. Slow typing speed. Obviously, if you know the requirement, if you know the answer, but you are having the slow typing speed, you will not be able to complete the paper on time. So this is a very important element to work on. Still, you have sufficient time to practice to practice the questions by typing on your computer or laptop, right? Not practicing the past papers, not using the ACCA practice platform. This is a very important element to be focused on, that you solve maximum past paper on ACCA practice platform, so that you will be able to use the tools available on ACCA practice platform. Not attempting the assignments and mock paper for marking purpose. So if you do not know the feedback, your weak points, so the examiner will tell you the negative points on the day of result. So it's a very important point that you should submit the assignment, attempt the mock paper, and submit for marking, right? A very important element to focus on. Ignoring the important documents. Two important documents, I always encourage a student to read these documents at least 10 to 12 days before the exam. Number one is the examiner report, and number two is the read the mind of the marker. Now, examiner report, I must recommend you people to read the examiner report. That is the most recent two examiner reports available on your ACCA website, because examiner had highlighted some points that most of the students did it well, most of the students did it wrong, what was the requirement and what was the mindset of the student by attempting the question and writing the irrelevant points. Read the mind of the marker, that is what is in the mind of the marker, the one who is giving you the marks, right? So a very important document. These two important documents should be read by you people at least 10 days before the exam, right? So I am writing it here. Read this at least 10 days before the exam, right? That's a very important point. Now let's move on to the second topic of today's meeting, that is live online revision webinars for June 26 intake. I will be conducting live online revision classes for June 26 intake. The objective is to prepare you people well to pass the exam. Remember, paper AA is very well structured. If you will follow the concept, that proper drafting style, it's easy to pass this paper. The agenda of live online revision includes quick recap of the concepts, drafting techniques, solving the past papers. We will be covering CRQs, case OTQs, and even knowledge base, in which most of the students are facing the problem, they are facing the challenge that how to draft up the knowledge based questions for 4 to 5 marks. So we will be discussing all these things in our live online revision classes for June 26 intake. And the core areas to be focused on: internal controls, obviously very important area, because you receive the definite the question on internal controls, right? The substantive procedures, audit risk and response. These are the three dominating topics for your CRQs. And if you can take around 15 marks at least, so 15, 15 and 15, 45 marks. So sometimes substantive procedures are examined for 20 marks or even 18 marks for the internal controls. It all depends. So we can write that 45 to 50% of your paper is based on these three topics, majorly on CRQs. Review stage of the audit, impact on the audit report, and ethics and quality management, also the important areas. And these areas might be examined as a portion, as a part of the CRQ, or in the case OTQs, right? So these important areas you must need to focus on, and we will be discussing in our live online revision classes. So here's the schedule. It will be starting from 11th of May till 18th of May, 8 consecutive days, right? And the timings are 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. So students from other countries, you can check out the time zone respectively, right? And you need to contact at our administration of Escribir Academy, and wish you good luck for your exams for June 2026, and see you in the live online revision session. Thank you very much.